Welcome to my honest review of Freshsales, a versatile CRM solution that has gained significant attention for its sales automation capabilities and intuitive user interface. Freshsales is designed to streamline sales processes, making it a great option for businesses looking to enhance their customer relationship management. When you first log into Freshsales, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly dashboard that organizes all your sales activities at a glance. The navigation is straightforward, with tabs for leads, contacts, accounts, and deals, each tailored to help you manage your sales pipeline efficiently. The drag-and-drop functionality in the pipeline management section makes it incredibly easy to track and update deal progress, giving you a clear visual of your sales flow. Freshsales offers built-in email integration, allowing you to send, receive, and track emails directly from the platform. This feature includes email templates and tracking analytics, helping you understand which messages resonate best with your audience. Additionally, the phone system is integrated, enabling you to make and log calls, providing a seamless communication experience. One of the standout features is the AI-driven insights, which help prioritize leads and suggest the best actions to take. This feature can be particularly useful for sales teams that want to focus on high-conversion opportunities without sifting through unnecessary data. The analytics dashboard provides detailed reports on sales performance, lead engagement, and team productivity, all of which can be customized to fit your business needs. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check those out after watching this review for additional tools and insights that can help streamline your operations. Freshsales also offers excellent integrations with popular tools like Slack, Zapier, and Google Workspace, ensuring that your team can work in harmony without needing to switch between multiple platforms. The marketplace offers even more third-party integrations, extending the platform's capabilities to fit your business's unique requirements. Customer support for Freshsales is top-notch, with responsive live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, you'll find the support you need to get the most out of this platform. Overall, Freshsales stands out for its simplicity, robust features, and scalability, making it an excellent choice for businesses aiming to improve their sales processes. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content to assist you in making informed decisions.